All right, language explorers. So let's look at some useful words in British English ASMR from a dictionary with tea. So I've got my dictionary. Let's look at some useful words to know. So let's have a look. Blame, blanch, bland, blanket, bless, bloom, bore, bog, boot, bob, boongery. Boycott. Okay, let's have that word. Boycott. Verb. To refuse, deal with, yeah? Refuse to deal with, yeah. No, thank you. Boycott, yeah. Let's have another word. Mule, mullion, multiple, outbreak, outburst, outfield, outfit, outgrow, outlandish. Yeah, let's try that. Outlandish. Outlandish. We have outlandish. Yeah, adjective. Extremely different and not normal. Very different and not normal. Yeah, outlandish. Strange. Yeah. Let's have one more word. Quite, quiz, quote, rabble, okay, radical, okay, radial, radioactive, raffish, raffle, raisin, random, ramble, ramification, ooh, yeah, ramifications. Ramification. Ramification. There we are. And ramifications. We have. Where is it? Consequences resulting from action. The things that can happen because of something else. Ramifications. Yeah. Noun. Very good. So I will boycott the business. I will boycott the business. Not do with it. I can't boycott drinking tea. Tea. No way. How are you going to boycott the party? She wants to boycott it. Why? Why does she want to boycott it? He boycotted it last year. I never knew. He boycotted it last year. I never knew. Yeah. How cool is that? I will boycott. I can't boycott. Yeah. Very good. They always boycott. They always boycott it every year. They have been boycotting it for many years. For a long time. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. For a long time. Yeah. How cool is that? An outlandish. Ooh. Outlandish. That was an outlandish idea. That was such a strange idea. It was outlandish. Outland. Outland. Like from somewhere else. Oops, somewhere else. And foreign. Outlandish. Drinking tea is not outlandish here. No. It's very common here. It would be outlandish to not drink tea. To not drink tea. Yeah. He likes outlandish ideas. She can't stand outlandish ideas. She can't stand outlandish ideas. No. We often get outlandish suggestions from the viewers. We often get outlandish suggestions from the viewers. Okay then. And ramification. The results of doing something. If this happens, then the ramifications are other things that happen. What could be the ramifications if we don't finish the video? The ramifications of not drinking tea is too horrible to think about. No way. Yes. There are no ramifications for drinking too much tea. No. No. There are no ramifications for drinking too much tea. No. The ramifications of his decision will impact and change everything, everyone. The ramifications are too horrible to think about. Are too horrible to think about. Yeah. He never thinks about the ramifications of his actions or decisions. He never thinks about the ramifications of his decisions. No. How cool is that, Language Explorers? So boycott, outlandish, ramification. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.